How to change your character's height on Roblox Mobile. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily customize your character's height in Roblox. First off, open up Roblox on your phone and make sure to log into your account. Now, once you are logged in, all you have to do is find your profile icon. So you're going to have to edit your avatar here. So let's just go ahead and click on the profile icon or the avatar icon at the bottom center of your screen. Once you get over here, you'll find different options like your characters, clothing, accessories, and more. So I'm just going to head over to characters. And if you have created any characters, that will be shown right here. Now, in order to customize your stuff, go to the customize option at the top, and you'll find all of the options here. So if you just head over to your character settings, tap on the settings menu, head over to any of your accessories like your head, just select any one of them. Once you have selected it, all you have to do here is, now once you get to the head and body segment, just scroll to the side until you find these options like torso, arms, which you can easily customize. So the main thing you want to look for is the build. So if you want your character to be tall, you can adjust its size. So you can move around with the slider. You can move it up if you want it to be taller, move down if you want it to be shorter, move to the side if you want it to be thin, and then move to the middle to keep everything balanced. So this is completely up to you how you want to build your character. So you can move around and see what works for you. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.